This is Cranberry Farm, and Cranberry Farm is a new extension or a new breath of fresh air into the farm scene. We have many new pieces in here, and what I really like about it is some of our new garlands that you'll see in here. They're strung cranberries or little beaded red berries that look like cranberries. There are fabric garlands made out of striped ribbon that give you almost a peppermint feeling. We also have it in black and white. Black is a little nice accent in here, but we brought it all together with berries and cones and several different new ornaments of barns and scenes from our farmyard. The richness of the pine cones come alive in this wreath, and this is another one of those new ones that we have that I think are just exquisite and very nicely done. Berries, and what I like about it is just the little glitz of glitter on there, making it sparkle for the holiday season. We also have it in a tree form and a little potted arrangement. If you look close at our tree, you're going to see some geese in there. And the Christmas goose, well, let's not forget him. He's important to this story. And the goose is our new farm animal that we're introducing this season. We have him carrying Christmas trees, hugging a wreath, or just perched on a shelf or up on a riser. Metals stay strong too, and here's two new snowmen that you might find in your farmyard. But they're very nicely done, color is beautiful, and these two are exclusive to Melrose. Some of our textiles are also exclusive, like this Merry Christmas pillow along with this season greeting. Here you can get a closer look at some of our new garlands that I talked about on the tree. We also have the ribbons that are looped. Remember when you used to make those paper chains? Well, this is done with the fabric, creating that same feeling again. Some very unusual garlands that are like gnarled jute together. It's chunkier, but it's sort of fun and festive. The cranberry garland, as I mentioned earlier, some coordinating jute spheres that just are a beautiful color addition to this tree. New metal ornaments and a rectangular format with a snowman and a Christmas tree, all exclusive. Many other new metal ornaments. This one has the green truck in front of a red barn. You'll also find some new sliced woods with a tractor and a red pickup truck. And of course, we'll always bring in a new barn or two in our glass ornaments too, to help finish our Cranberry Farm. We have some more exclusive textiles here, and I think this tree pattern is exceptional. It's contemporary and it's perfect in this Cranberry Farm, but I could see this almost in any collection where you introduce the color of red. It's got that modern feeling, and I think it's really a fun look. There's also coordinating ribbon, the table runner, along with pillows. Up on the wall, you're going to see some new artwork. Again, exceptionally nice here in Cranberry Farm, but don't keep them just isolated to Cranberry Farm. They're festive anywhere. They just scream Christmas for almost any motif. But there's nothing cookie cutter about our cookie cutter tree. The ornaments help make this tree and tell this story. You can see over here we have a lot of cookies with a cookie cutter frame around it. I just think they're so interesting. And little cookie cutters with trees inside. The iced cookies and ornaments really look realistic. I think they're exceptional. Some new wall art selling cookies and hot cocoa just help complete this story. And this past spring and summer, we introduced some recipes that were wall art that went over very well, so we brought them in a Christmas format with Christmas cookie recipes on them. You'll also find some new tabletop pieces and these oversized cookies and trees, Santa, and a snowman. There's a lot of new red berries in this collection and some with some very interesting coloration of the foliage on there. And new wall art with a Santa and Snowman. I think they're done exceptionally nice, and I really like the little tag on the bottom. It gives it a little bit more additional value. Countdown to Christmas, we're always looking for new concepts of it, and here's one on this wall over here. The tree is movable, so you can move it from day to day and count down the season. The little banner up above, that's an exclusive pattern. Have yourself a merry little Christmas. That pattern is repeated in some of our new textiles also. We have the snowflake pattern here on our runner along with a pillow. And finally, maybe red isn't your color for this holiday season, so you can take the farm a different direction. Here we're featuring it with just soft greens and white with the beautiful shades of our wood tones. Many new styles of trays all come alive in this Christmas tree farm feeling that we have. The new florals in this section are pre-mades. We have drops. There are little cluster swags, garlands, and wreaths. And what I really like about it is the twigs in there look realistic, but they are plastic, heavily wired, so you can bend and shape it to put it into whatever you need for your decor. Some other pre-made pieces, as you'll see up in here, is this crescent. It's a beautiful piece with the frosted pines and pine cones. The basket below also comes complete as it is. It doesn't matter what you want for this season and Christmas, especially on the farm. I think we've got it. We've got your Della Robbio look. We've got cranberries. We've got our cookie cutter tree over there that Grandma worked hard for. And finally, we've got the soft values of green and white. It's time you check out our Cranberry Farm.